while, but you might have to perform.
It'd be the first time.
Right, you might have to perform, man. Well, I just have to mount this woman right towards the front. You ready?
This is a two-man boat.
Good one, Rose. Good one, Rose.
Seahawk 200, maybe we should have got the Seahawk 500.
Maybe it's the fit Bob and Terri.
Don't have to get
Pocono City.
Yeah.
You blow this in, Aaron?
Vicky, you can blow it any way you want, sweetie.
Yeah, you can blow.
Vicky, we got a close-up on Vicky's tits.
Yeah, no.
Let's still push it.
What I'm saying is,
I was gonna
we're
blow
going to
it.
lose more air.
Don't blow it, push it, guys.
Can you run back to Kevin and get the pump?
Don't blow it, push it.
Right, straddle legs approach to this.
Should I get it at this end?
Get down there.
Mike, let me tell you, I was quitting this last one.
Vicky, whatever you do, hon, just remember, don't scratch your crouse.
Christ, now I don't have a life preserver.
But you're born with life preservers. Only life preservers, Nick. No life preservers. She's built in. Vicky cannot float.
It wasn't my day to watch him.
Cheap sunglasses?
No, Stick so long.
Wave, guys.
Oh, here they are.
Oh, he's got him.
I got him.
Oh, thank
He's
you.
got him. This man has him.
Does this man have name damage or what? I got one. Hey, Bob. Which way do these things go? Like that. And you paddle
They
back.
go in circles, Dick. What can I say?
No, down towards you, Dick.
Go the other way.
Turn around.
Giving up on these babies.
Don't fall with my camera.
Ballglove.
Here for a half hour.
Come on, Vicky, give us a nice shot, hun.
This is the first cruise Dick's ever taken me on. Are we to St. Lucia in this?
You're in the Bahamas. Look at those feet.
Those are pretty size.
All I can say, hey Vic, if you want to paddle, take the oars and put your feet in his crotch and go.
Terry, where are the oars at? Which ones are the oars?
But you need pressure. You need pressure, so you have to put your feet in his crotch. You gotta put your feet in his crotch.
Heave. If I have to heave, I'm gonna fucking throw up. Oh, good fart, Vic. Right.
Wait a minute. That's the ticket. You gotta get where you're going with your arms.
Terry, I didn't come out here for vacation with her toes.
But you're looking at her crouch.
Oh, look at that string. If I pull that string, which is a boat,
The boat blows up.
that's not a booger. That is not a booger. Trust me, I know boogers.
Mike, that confirms that you've got a concussion.
Right?
Oh, this way?
Are we? Is this water
He
photography?
over-amped himself.
Is this water photography?
Yes, it is. Water mermaid.
Jacques Cousteau,
His underground water
stalking the
survey.
wild.
His underground water survey.
Made it halfway out there yet.
Jacques Cousteau. Go as far as Bob and Terry did. We'll die. Come on, Jacques. Jacques Rice.
Oh, go for the metal, baby.
Stalking the
Look at him.
Rice stalking the wild sea.
He's going for it.
Fucking striking. Stalking the wild seals. You gotta get them out of the water.
That's what we keep telling you, Dick. Get him out of the water, babe.
Hey, Rice, that's what she's been telling you for years. You gotta get it out of the water and get it in the hole.
We're not singing. We're not singing.
Row, row, row your boat.
What's in your car? Ooh, some Roma law. Ooh, what's in your locker? Ooh, my bottle of vodka. Ooh.
'Cause my band sings so low.